The Ford Super Duty sets a new standard for heavy-duty trucks, combining immense power, advanced technology, and unparalleled durability. Engineered to handle the toughest jobs, the Super Duty offers a range of formidable engine options, including the powerful 6.7-liter Powerstroke V8 turbo diesel and the robust 7.3-liter V8, ensuring that no task is too demanding. Whether on a construction site, a farm, or a rugged off-road trail, the Super Duty's exceptional performance and capability make it an indispensable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. It's more than just a truck. It's a trusted partner that stands up to the demands of modern life with strength. For those who need a vehicle that delivers excellence in every aspect, the Ford Super Duty is the ultimate choice.